Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, our today's topic is how to get rid of jealousy. Jealousy is a natural feeling and natural phenomenon. Seeing others people materially developed their reputation, their knowledge, their wisdom, their wealth, their designation, politically, socially, culturally, or whatever they are holding their position in their respective domain. Mostly of us start developing negativity and start developing jealousy for others. A jealous person does not harm to others, and he can't. Rather, he himself becomes the source of self-destruction for himself. So, once one of the renowned scholars of Pakistan, Ashfaq Ahmad Saab, once he said somewhere that a jealous person is unhappy with Allah's distribution. So it's a big sin that if you start developing such type of emotion that you become unhappy with the distribution of Allah. So we need to understand, Ashfaq Ahmad Saab, according to him, that if all these things have been given to that person for whom we are feeling jealousy, instead of looking at his things, we need to convince ourselves that what we have, he might be deprived of all those things. And what others have, we don't have. So we don't need to see their material things, whatever they have, bungalows, cars, reputation, knowledge, their designation, politically, socially, culturally. It might appears to be something different. Allah might have given him for trial basis. Might be that these things are for his trial. Either he is doing justice with himself, with the people at large, or not. So if we have been given those things, knowledge, good morals, being characterful and philanthropist and generous, so all these things are not less than any blessings of Allah. So we need to convince ourselves that what we have, others might not have, and what we are doing for ourselves, for our family, for our nation at large, he might not be doing all these things. So we need to think about ourselves, not about others. Only this is the way that we can understand that potential talents, all these things are distributed by Allah, and all these things are given to us by God in order to evaluate us, in order to judge us. So we need to be thankful whatever we have. Never ever, never ever should feel jealousy for others. Seeing their designation, their wealth, their reputation, their fame, their etc., whatever they have. Only this is the best way that we need to convince ourselves and always be grateful to Allah's will. Only then we would be leading a well balanced and happy and satisfied life. Dear viewers, I would be looking forward to your comment. That what type of comment after watching my video you give to me. Allah help us all.